Hi friends, I'm Dr. Mohammed Usman. Thanks for watching. Now let's talk about Tegral tablet uses, side effects and price in Pakistan. Tegral tablet is an anticonvulsant drug containing carbamazepine. It is FDA approved for treating various forms of epilepsy and pain due to trigeminal neuralgia. Tegral is also used to treat bipolar disorder. Often off-label use include the treatment of the symptoms of depression and anxiety. Carbamazepine containing Tegral or Tegral tablet primarily works by inhibiting voltage-gated sodium channels in neurons, stabilizing the neuronal membrane and reducing excitability, thus preventing seizures. It also stimulates the action of the inhibitory neurotransmitter GABA, affects certain calcium channels, and interacts with adenosine receptors. These combined actions help manage seizures and stabilize mood in conditions like bipolar disorder. Tegral 200 milligrams tablet in Pakistan ranges between 4 and 6 rupees per tablet. The exact price of the tablet can vary depending on the manufacturer and the strength of the tablet. Tegral tablet is used for the following conditions. It is used for epilepsy. Tegral tablets effectively regulate nerve activity by stabilizing electrical activity in the brain. This helps treat various types of epilepsy, including mixed, partial, and generalized tonic-clonic seizures. Tegral tablet reduces pain and provides analgesic effects by modifying the nerve signaling process of trigeminal neuralgia patients. Tegral 200 milligrams tablet play an important role in mood stabilization by modulating neurotransmitter levels. This provides balance for the treatment of manic depressive psychosis. It is also used for bipolar disorder. Tegral was the first anticonvulsant to treat convulsions. It increases GABA transmission and dopamine turnover for treating the symptoms of mania and depression. There are general guidelines on using Tegral. Take the medicine strictly as per the prescribed dose and dosing schedule. Do not skip or continue the medicine without consulting with the doctor, as it may cause withdrawal symptoms. Swallow the medicines with a glass of water. Do not crush, chew or break the tablet. Try to take the medicine at the same time each day for optimal effects. There are some side effects of Tegral tablet like dizziness, drowsiness, upset stomach, blood vision, etc. If you experience any serious side effects, please call your doctor immediately. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.